Because it all belongs to the Kochi fortress. They raised this building in 6 years of time. So 1998 August 15 we opened as a hotel, and hence this is just a 23-year-old building, which is made to look old because we have Aspen Wall. You can see Aspen Wall nearby. There are several other historical, like the heritage buildings nearby. So these are all more than 100 years. So since the building which is coming near to the 100 building, so we made it to look old. And it was Carl Damson, a Swiss architect, who designed it. So he was told by the management that there should be a building to look old, and most of them guessed 100 plus years. So it is all his credit. So Aspen Wall was a warehouse of CGH Earth, a British. Like Fort Kochi, Wellington Island, the mainland which is called as the Ernakulam over there, where you see the high-rise building. Then this one DP was the Dubai port was called the container terminal, which is Mallarpadam. Then over there where the Ro-Ro goes and comes, that is Whitefield. So these areas are the coast for this backwater. So if
they are like, maybe you heard the name, the greatest cricket player, De Silva.
correct.
De Costa, De Souza, Pereira, all these names are belong